All right, here we go. We're gonna try a little bit of rapid fire with it. See how that go. 300 Blackout, energetic armament can. Can's kind of warm, but it's doing pretty good so far. So hollow time. So that's that. Yeah, I like it. So we're gonna step up. That's 140. This is 147 grain. We're gonna step up. I'm gonna go ahead and fire these 2 rounds. And then we're gonna load up some 200 grain. All right, so this is a single round of some Winchester 200 grain, 300 Blackout. This is some open tip shit. I don't know if anyone's gonna like this or what's gonna happen with it, but I'm gonna try it out. I only got 1 round loaded into it. That is crazy quiet. That sounded like nothing, but it fired it, and it ejected it. So let's load up, see how it takes. So this is 3. They fired all 3. I'm not getting that much gas to the face either. So this charger handle is actually working pretty good. So we're gonna step it back a little bit so I can. Let me do that. So I'm gonna load up 5 rounds. That's 4. This is 5. Load up 5. This motherfucker is gonna be kind of dirty. Sounds like nothing. Yep. All right. Honestly, I think that lighter spring and buffer is gonna have this thing running like how it's supposed to. This can is awesome. You know what I'm saying? Like this can is pretty fucking sweet. So this is another 5 rounds of this 200 grain. I got some 220 grain in the bag. I'm also gonna try that out, and we'll see how that goes. It's trucking along. It's probably gonna give me cancer or some shit. But yeah. This is 6 rounds. Try to like see how fast I can go with these. No baffle strikes so far. I'm not sure if the can is loose. It's a little too hot to touch. So I'm gonna run some 220s and we'll see how that go. All right, so I got the box of 220s. I'm trying not to let this can touch my leg because this motherfucker is hot. But so this is the shitty 220 grain. It's Remington 300 Blackout 220. So we're gonna see how this shit does. It's probably gonna act stupid. So let's go ahead and load that up. I'm gonna load up 3. just to see if it is going to cause any problems. Boom. So this is, I guess I better go over this. 300 Blackout, Aero Precision Lure, Geisley trigger, CMC bolt, BCG, full controls, charger handle, gas busting charger handle, energetic can. This is the Peak 30, Roscoe barrel and defensive, and cloud defensive, BCM, the upper receiver. Oh, and hollow sun. Mag is a Lancer mag. Oh. It's empty. So it fired him, but it didn't lock back. So that is telling me that, yeah, I'm gonna need a lighter buffer on this thing. Either that or it's getting extremely fucking dirty. So I'm gonna put another 3 rounds in it. And let's see. No Balfour strikes yet. Oh, yeah, dirty. So yeah, I think it's just getting dirty. I think it's dry. I need to put some lube on it. Let's see. Yep. Yep, it's getting dirty. So I'm gonna throw some lube on this, and we'll see if it's better. Oh, so you know what? I don't need to on that. So let's just do it. Yeah, it's fucking gunky. So I press that there. Run the charger handle a couple times. All right, so we got some lube on it. All right, so let's see if that works. All right, we're gonna load in another. We're gonna just load one in and see if it locks back. And we'll load in two in and see if that worked. So this is a function test. So we are at 8 minutes. So it's a 10-minute video. I'm gonna have to put this on YouTube. But we're gonna switch over to the other gun. I already know it's not gonna run this 220 shit. So we're just gonna be shooting some 147 grain. And then I'm gonna switch to the handgun because I got one of those too. So nope. So it's not gonna lock back on these 220s. And so I mean that's cool. I kind of didn't expect it to, because this buffer setup is like 4.6 ounces or 4.8 ounces. So that's kind of heavy for what I'm doing. So with the new setup that I got coming, because I had to order some parts and stuff for this thing, the new setup is probably going to be somewhere around 3.8. That should allow this thing, because it's cycling around, it's just not locking back. So with the new buffer and spring, this should work pretty good. It should actually work really well, considering that it doesn't like 147 grains unsuppressed. And that was really my issue. So with the new setup, it should run the 147 grains. It runs 125, but it should run 147 grains unsuppressed. The thing that I think I'm gonna end up having to deal with is how violent the field is when it's got the can on it with that setup. So I'm gonna let this cool off and I'm gonna switch to the other one.